Good evening, respected principals, sir, loving teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. Myself, Silfa Sinha from Standard 7th B. Today I am standing here to tell about the Save Girl Child. Today we are so amazing that the newspaper was full with many cases of girls like daring killing of girls, child marriage, etc. We know we even after 7 decades of independence, a girl's child considered as a burden in various purpose. A girl's child a girl's child face many problems like gender based description, society, etc. I am appreciating the great peoples like PT Usha, Kalpana, the great Kalpana Chawla, Mother Teresa, Indira Gandhi, etc. They went the top of the world and because they are educated and their parents are giving chance to educate. I want to tell you that the great people, those are went top of the floor. Also. I was so excited that our parents are, but in India there is many population are never wants to educate girl and they are treating the girl in home. They are giving burden in home. They do not want to educate the girl, but we know that our government has started Beti Padhao seemed as to save girl, to educate girl. We are so appreciated that our government has told this. But in our society, the no any wants to educate the girl. I was suggest everyone to educate the girl to save girl. We know Mother Teresa, Indira Gandhi, the great Kalpana Chawla, they went top of the floor. The nation will develop to crush of education of girl. So we have to educate the girl and we have to give chance to save the girl. The society, I was suggested that the society will wants to educate the girl, to give manner to the girl and to maintain the girl. So they are doing worship of Durga, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Ma Lakshmi, etc. But they don't know that the girls only do everything. They were a mother, sister, aunts. They want mother. Our society want mother, sister. A society want mother, sister, but they don't want daughter. Why they don't want daughter? A daughter can do everything in the world. So beti bachao, beti padhao. Thank you, have a nice day.